Number 1. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, well-preserved example with 122,000 original miles on the odometer. It's powered by a 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, running smoothly with no mechanical issues. The truck retains its original body panels and factory green paint, showing no rust in a super clean frame, a rare find for its age. Inside, it features a beautiful tan interior that's in excellent condition. Both AC and heat function perfectly, and all power windows and door locks operate as they should. Every component works properly, reflecting careful ownership and maintenance. The Silverado rides on a 5-7 Beltec lowering kit with a bolt-in C-notch, and the rear is adjustable for stance preference. It also comes with refreshed OEM rally wheels wrapped in brand new all-season tires, all new OEM headlights and taillights, tinted windows, and new OE trim, giving the truck a clean and cohesive look. It's a rust-free, well-maintained example that stands out for its originality and condition, an ideal candidate for an LS swap or a collector quality cruiser you can enjoy as is. Number 2. 1979 Chevrolet K10, price $10,000. This truck is a rust-free classic pickup that has been extensively refreshed and well-maintained. It features an 84 front clip and is powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has received numerous new components, including brake shoes, master cylinder, booster, water pump, fuel pump, carburetor, and bumpers. The exterior has been updated with new bedsides, inner front fender wells, rocker panels, and floor pans, while the solid frame has been painted and the floor and bed have been undercoat for extra protection. Inside, it sports new upholstery on the seat, new carpet, and a new grille, along with new door and window seals. Number 3. 1987 GMC S15, price $5,000, showing 106,000 miles. It's powered by a 2.8L fuel-injected V6 paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, this gasoline-powered truck has received over $5,000 in recent maintenance and upgrades. Work completed includes a new fuel pump, KYB shocks, 5 new tires, serpentine belt, idler pulley, tensioner, interstate battery, spark plugs and wires, ceramic brake pads, and a blower motor. Fluids and filters have been fully serviced, including oil, coolant, transmission, air, and fuel filters. Suspension updates include new upper and lower ball joints with alignment. Additional improvements feature a refreshed exhaust with a new muffler, LED headlight conversion, new door seals, a Cover King seat cover, Alpine Bluetooth radio with 4 new speakers, and updated interior and exterior lighting. Number 4. 1990 Ford F250, price $8,000. It has 158,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior and runs on gasoline. The current owner went through the engine in 2021, and it has been running strong ever since. Recently, the truck received several updates, including a new battery, alternator, and power steering pump. It runs and drives well, offering solid performance for its age. The interior remains in decent condition, with all components functioning properly except for the driver's window, which will soon need a new motor and regulator. There's also a dent on the driver's door caused by a deer, but it doesn't affect the vehicle's drivability in any way. Overall, this Ford F250 is a reliable, well-maintained classic truck with plenty of life left in it. Number 5. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, finished in blue exterior paint with a matching blue interior. It runs on a 4.3L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering an engaging driving experience. The truck features electric windows and locks, and has recently received numerous new parts and improvements. It rides on 4 new 15x10 centerline wheels wrapped in new tires, with new brakes all around for reliable stopping power. The clutch and flywheel have both been replaced, ensuring smooth shifting and performance. Comfort has also been upgraded, with a fully renewed air conditioning system, upgraded to R134A, along with a new thermostat, engine mounts, and transmission mount. The suspension has been completely refreshed with new shocks all around, paired with a Beltec lowering kit, including front spindles and a rear C-notch for an improved stance and ride quality. Inside, the cabin feels fresh with a new headliner, new carpet, and a new Pioneer stereo system. The headlights have also been replaced for improved visibility and a cleaner look. Number 6. 2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500, finished in black with a gray interior, powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. With approximately 315,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs surprisingly well and continues to deliver the durability these trucks are known for. Recently, it received a brand new transmission, adding to its reliability and overall value. However, there are a few minor issues that need attention, particularly with the battery and alternator, along with some smaller maintenance items. Nothing major, just the kind of details that come with an older but well-loved truck. Overall, the Chevy 2500 remains a strong and capable vehicle that just needs a bit of TLC to bring it back to its best. Number 7. 1969 Ford F100, price $5,000, powered by a 360 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This truck was built in Canada and shipped directly to Atlanta from the assembly line. Believed to have 74,000 actual miles, it's a solid classic with a lot of potential. The cab floors, cab mounts, corners, and roof are all in great condition, showing only minor exterior rust in a few typical areas such as the door corners, lower fenders, and parts of the bed floor. The front and underside of the hood remain in excellent shape. It runs well, featuring a new carburetor, spark plug wires, and plugs, along with a fresh set of tires. The windshield has been recently replaced, and the front bumper appears to be new as well. Inside, the dash pad and floor mat are both in nice condition, while the driver's seat shows some wear. Number 8. 1987 GMC Sonoma, price $3,000. It has covered approximately 192,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a red exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a bold and timeless look. Powered by a 2.8L V6 engine, this 2WD Sonoma still delivers a dependable drive, and the air conditioning blows cold, providing comfort on warm days. While it does show some rust on the fenders, cab corners, and bed, it remains a solid foundation for restoration or everyday use. Overall, this 1987 GMC Sonoma offers vintage styling, reliable performance, and classic truck character. Number 9. 1984 GMC 2500, price $8,500. It features a 350 SBC engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and comes in a blue exterior and interior. This 2WD long bed truck retains its original title and body panels and runs, drives, and stops as it should. It's been lowered 2/4 inches using front springs and rear shackles, giving it a solid stance. Many new parts have been installed, including the battery, gas tank, fuel sending unit, brakes, rims, tires, with a fifth matching rim, plugs, wires, distributor, air cleaner, belts, fluids, and filters. Cosmetic and comfort updates include a dash cover, window trim, door pins, weather stripping, new lights, wipers, seat cover, phantom-style grille, and thrush exhaust. Number 10. 1972 Ford F100, price $5,200. It's powered by a dependable 300 straight-six engine paired with a smooth-shifting C4 automatic transmission, delivering a blend of strength and simplicity that enthusiasts appreciate. The exterior and interior both feature a matching green finish, giving the truck a cohesive vintage look that reflects its original style. This F100 runs and drives well, showing that it has been well cared for mechanically, though it does need some bodywork to bring it back to perfect condition. Still, the overall structure remains solid, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or a cool weekend cruiser.